Hello, Honors Biology class, and welcome to your video lesson since I'm not in class today. So today we're going to talk about the effect of mutations, or the consequences of mutations in DNA, and the consequences they have on proteins in general. And this will actually help with number 3 in the sort of introduction of your project. So sometimes mutations have no effect. So some instances that they may have no effect, okay, is one, okay, if they don't change the amino acid. Now we talk, if they don't change the amino acid. And we talked last time in class about 2 ways that this can happen. The first way is that if you change the third base of a codon, sometimes that doesn't affect the amino acid. It codes for the same amino acid. The second way is that if you have a mutation before the start codon or after the stop. Okay. So that's one way, is that if you have a mutation and it doesn't change the amino acid in the protein. Now the second way, okay, is that if you maybe you do change an amino acid, so you do change an amino acid, but the change does not affect the shape of the protein. Not effect. If you remember, we discussed that proteins fold to form 3D shapes, and their shape is really, really, really important to their function. So if we go back down here, sometimes the effect of mutation absolutely no effect. The protein functions the same way, but sometimes there's a major effect. Okay, when the change in amino acids, either one or many, changes the way a protein folds. And if it changes the way proteins folds, then it can't do its job. So we learned back in, I think it might have been September, we learned about enzymes. So let's say here we have a enzyme, and right here is the active site. Okay, so this is the active site. Okay, here we have the protein with no mutation, and you see this shape, and you see when the mutation occurred in the DNA, that caused this active site to be slightly different. And now the substrate can't fit anymore in the active site. And the enzyme can't do its job. Now what you're going to see is many of you have enzymes as your proteins that your genes code for. And if they do a job that's really, really important, that can lead to a genetic disease. So if this enzyme can't break down its substrate, and that substrate is important, or breaking down that substrate is important for life, that could lead to some sort of disease. And that's what you're sort of trying to explain in your project, is how does your enzyme or protein not functioning cause a disease? So now you're going to answer the 2 questions, sort of summary questions on the next page of this document right here. Answer these 2 questions, and then work on your project. The project, I think, is officially going to be due, I'm not sure, hold on. I think it's officially going to be due Thursday night, but I'll check on that when I see you guys on Thursday. Have a good day, and work on your projects.